Daily use English sentences. Don't sit here. Don't sit here. This is for you. This is for you. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Let's try again. Let's try again. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Look at this. Look at this. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. Now I understand. Now I understand. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. Put on your dress. Put on your dress. Do you need help? Do you need help? It's not working. It's not working. I am thinking about you. I am thinking about you. Can you jump? Can you jump? I can dance. I can dance. That's a good question. That's a good question. I need a jacket. I need a jacket. It's raining now. It's raining now. I sit on a bench. I sit on a bench. Please wait here. Please wait here. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What's the problem? What's the problem? Let's eat together. Let's eat together. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I need more time. I need more time. Let's go soon. Let's go soon. I like this place. I like this place. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. I am ready now. I am ready now. Get out now. Get out now. Are you coming? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Can you swim? Can you swim? Try to remember. Try to remember. Go outside. I can't sing. Go inside. Go inside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.